Hurt him.
No, I don't think it went through. All right, we're gonna go ahead and mock up the swing arm today. CJ's gonna go ahead and prep his surgical area. We're going to clean up this area. We're gonna replace some wheel bearings, mount the swing arm, and put on a fork that I found.
Sometime around it, maybe my computer already broke by then, but yeah, I don't think I was.
So CJ has a B-52 Bomber. It's still a $15,000 bike. It ain't no joke. It does 50, no problem. He can verify that I can do at least 8 miles an hour on mine. He made a whole bunch of films on a critical mass ride. I didn't have a bike, so I rented one from some electrical place. Remember that? They had a stand, and it was like, oh, you know, you can rent one. They were like, oh, well, tell you what, buddy, we'll just give you a bike, okay? Here's a bike, and here's our business card. Go ahead and rep us. Yeah, sure, okay, yeah. I got like 50 feet into it. The tire's bad. The generator won't turn off, so you have to stand on the pedals to go forward. I did a half a mile, and I was fucking dead. I had leg cramps. I think we still have that on video.
Yeah.
That was hilarious. We're going to go ahead and mount this bad boy up. I don't know if that's the bars we want, but that's the top hat that I've had for this other bike forever, so that's just something. We'll go ahead and assemble the fork and put a wheel on it. They're right here in front of you.
Oh, you already got them on.
I already laid them out for you, boss. If you want, I can get you a flathead screwdriver.
No?
She's in. That's it. That's it.
Can I hold that real quick?
Sure. Yeah, right. There we go. That's how difficult it is. Once again, don't ever forget putting this in. All right. See what I mean? Horrible build quality. All right, we'll give it a little wipe down and slap it on.
Alright, I need one more of these nuts. Boom.
Alright.
Now we got good size. I need a nut to go on here.
Okay. I think this is right. Check it.
For the
Yeah.
axle?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, cool. I was a little worried. Oh, yay, we're dating now.
That is it.
Yeah, it looks like they got it marked off on Facebook as it's complicated. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle with it. There you go.
There we are.
All right. We got new wheel bearings in us for us. It's looking good. How's that camera view look? Yeah, that side, it won't hold the bearing in very well. And that one's real tight, so. I'll take that side. You take that side. Yeah.
Go out. Out.
Trying, it was stuck.
In. Perfect.
Yeah, we're supposed to do the bomb, but I'm retarded. Ooh.
Suck it up a little bit.
Ooh. The moment is approaching. What will we see? That. What, my gun?
Pretty good.
My goodness, you doing wheelies on this? Of course.
It feels better longer.
Destruction derby having ass. Yeah, you already hit him with your shins. Rookie move, man. Rookie move. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And that's the reason why I was like, if we bring them back, it'll lower our knees, and then we should be able to feel a little bit more comfortable. I think. You want to go forward? We can go forward. What do you guys think? Yeah? Yeah, I like that. Balancing it for a minute on his own. Look at it. And we can lower the air pressure in that thing too if we need. Plus it's already got some rebound. We can just bring the coil up a little bit. That should make it softer.
It feels like a air ride Cadillac.
And that's the reason why I want to move the shock position back, because it'll get rid of that Cadillac feel and give it more of like a motorcycle feel, because they've got the spring almost nearly up. Oh yeah. I don't know, man. Those welds look kind of cold. Great job, CJ. It looks fantastic. Right, going with a regular shock, it'll of course lower it because these are 315 millimeters tall. And 285 millimeter is stock. So if you do that, it will bring it down and make it level. However, I wasn't anticipating this. Yeah, I don't have a stock spring, but we can get a shorter one.
I like it like that.
And when you sit on it, it looks good. So that's what it is, a regular height. I'm riding. Is that level?
Yeah, the swing arm's just about level. It's a little bit still pointed down, but
Okay, now we still have to put in batteries and a motor.
a
So
little more weight.
Yeah, we got about a 35-pound battery and about a 10 to 12-pound motor with probably a 3 to 5-pound controller. So we're at add an extra 100 pounds, and then that's where it'll sit with that thing on it. T10 pickup truck. We're gonna pick up Grandpa. He told me not to borrow the truck, but he needs me now. Great job. Who does this belong to is my question. Because we don't have an owner for it yet. Yeah. Keep the camera still on 1320. Yeah, that's what it is, 1320. Yeah, right? I can maybe practice this once or twice.